Hi, boys and girls. Please follow along as we read together about the Central Valley region and the desert region. You're going to want to open up your books to page 22 to follow along. We'll start at the top. The Central Valley region. Between the Coast Ranges and the Sierra Nevada is a region of low land called the Central Valley. The San Joaquin River flows through the southern part of the Central Valley, which is sometimes called the San Joaquin Valley. In the northern part, the Sacramento Valley is named for the Sacramento River. On their journeys through the Central Valley, the San Joaquin and Sacramento rivers are joined by a number of smaller rivers, or tributaries. Where the San Joaquin and Sacramento rivers meet, a broad delta has formed. A delta is land that has been built up from soil carried by rivers. California's Central Valley is one of the most productive farming regions in the world. Over time, fertile soil from the Sierra Nevada has washed down into the valley. Soil that is fertile is good for growing crops. Take a close look at the geography of where Sacramento is. Sacramento is our state capital here in California, and so they've picked special reasons why they made that our state capital. So read that carefully and learn a little bit more about Sacramento. Here you have a picture of plants and animals of the desert region, and you might remember from third grade learning about some of those special adaptations that desert animals have. We're going to learn about why they have those adaptations a little bit when we hear about where the desert region is located and what the weather's like there. The desert region. Deserts stretch across most of southeastern California. The Mojave Desert covers a large area between the southern Sierra Nevada and the Colorado River. The Colorado Desert lies farther south, near the border with Mexico. Within California's desert region are several large valleys. Near the Mexican border are the Imperial and the Coachella valleys. People there have used irrigation to water their farmland. Irrigation is the use of canals, ditches, or pipes to carry water to dry places. The Salton Sea, which is really a large, salty lake, lies in the desert region. It was formed between 1905 and 1907 when the Colorado River flooded. Some parts of the desert region are too hot and dry for most people to live there. Death Valley near the Nevada border is one of the driest and hottest places in the United States. It is also the lowest point in the Western Hemisphere. One place in Death Valley lies 282 feet below sea level. Sea level refers to land that is level with the surface of the ocean. If you continue to read, you're going to read a fast fact here, and there's some review questions you could ask yourself. You also have questions to answer for today's lesson, so make sure you understand about the location of the Central Valley and the desert regions. If you can see in my book, you see that our next little article is about John Muir. We got to watch a video about him, and here's some more information if you'd like to learn a little bit more. Thanks, boys and girls, for always doing your best.